don't have to look down on that guy. You talk carelessly to him too much.
Meaning what? Hello? I should allow him to touch my boobs and my ass? A common security guard? That's not possible. It is not possible, okay?
Look, he is a game instructor. Anyone can hold your waist that way as long as it's related to the game, period. Besides, I heard it's related to the king.
And so what? And so what? Listen, he is not the prince of a land. Now, need I remind you that I came back from Canada? Canada, girl. Listen up. If it's not the prince, it is not the prince. If he not be the prince, he not be the prince. So, girl, get your act right, okay? I'm not going to allow some security guard touch me. Impossible. Never.
Look, let's just try and be ourselves in this palace. Let's not form what we are not.
What do you mean by that? Who is forming? Do you know who I am? Do you know the countries I've been to? I've been to London. I've been to Canada. Of course you know that. I've been to New York. I've been to so many places. Where have you been? Where? Nonsense.
I hear you, Madam Canada.
What the hell? Just get away, go. Do you know the color of my skin? Of course you do not know. Stainless. Oh my days. Ouch.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.